Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Entertainment and Rhyme. I will tell you the alphabets and colors name. Let's start the video. I draw the apple. Apple is a good fruit. And second draw the alphabet A. A apple. Alphabet A. A apple. And I second draw the B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? I draw the broccoli. Biba broccoli. Hello kids, if you like my video so please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I draw the broccoli. Biba broccoli. Third and last alphabet is C. I draw the C. C for carrot. I draw the carrot. C for carrot. Carrot is a good vegetable. C for carrot. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's start the coloring time. Color is the blue color. This is a blue color. Alphabet is A. A apple. Second color is green. Apple color is red. Eye color is red color. Comment with me drawing and coloring. Second alphabet is B. Color is pink. Second alphabet is B. A, B, C. B. Second color is yellow. Green color. Broccoli. B bar broccoli. B bar broccoli. Broccoli color is green. This is a good vegetable. If you like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and more drawing videos. C for carrot. Carrot color is orange. This is the orange color. Third and last alphabet is C. C for carrot. And color is blue. Sky blue. My drawing is ready, so please subscribe to my channel, like and share. I see you next video. Bye bye.